This 4-axis CNC drilling machine is specially designed for automated drilling of round tubes. Designed for efficient processing, the machine utilizes 3 heads to drill simultaneously, completing 3 holes in single operation, greatly improving production efficiency. The effective processing stroke of this machine x-axis 1 meter, z-axis 200 mm, and 360 rotation on the a-axis. Enable efficient and precise positioning and processing. The machine adopts precision servo-harmonic rotary axis and an adjustable reversal support feature, ensuring compatibility with various tube sets and stable processing. The selected 5-axis machine CNC system supports multiple programming methods and also supports direct import of 3D joints to automatically generate processing programs. Without the need for professional programmers, the system can store tens of thousands of programs, which saving labor cost tuning. Each transmission shaft of this machine is controlled by an absolute servo motor, ensuring high position accuracy, fast speed, and strong stability. The new screw and gas wheels are selected from the brand of Taiwan Highway. She also features an automatic lubrication system for tank and point tube lubrication, eliminating the need for maintenance. Machine uses the factory is tested for accuracy and compensated it by a USA API laser interferometer to keep the whole machine accuracy within 0.02 mm. Furthermore, we are a dedicated independent manufacturer with over 10 years of industry experience. With metro technology, we can also customize everything from machine head to machine stroke to meet customer needs.